Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So if you like the taste of fried chicken, but you want a healthier option, stay tuned for my baked fried chicken leg recipe. So I have about 16 drumsticks here, and I usually soak my chicken in some water and about a half a cup of vinegar to clean before seasoning. Now I'm just going to sprinkle on some seasoning. I'm adding some pink Himalayan salt, some cayenne pepper, a good amount of garlic powder, some onion flakes, some oregano, and this is Bragg's soy sauce and it's non-GMO. The soy sauce will help the breadcrumbs stick because I don't use an egg wash in this recipe. This is some barbecue sauce, and I'm drizzling on a little bit of olive oil. I'm mixing it all together, and then I'm just going to leave it on my counter for about 10 minutes to let the seasoning marinate a little bit. So now I'm adding some Italian flavored breadcrumbs to a separate container. I've lined my baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm adding some melted coconut oil to it, and I'm using my barbecue brush to brush the oil evenly on the pan. Now I'm adding the drumsticks to the breadcrumbs and making sure that each one is well coated. If you use an egg wash, you will get more of the breadcrumbs sticking to the drumsticks, but I don't like the taste of egg wash on drumsticks, so to me this is a great option. So now I'm spacing them onto the pan so that they're not touching too much. This is going into the oven on 375 degrees for 30 minutes on one side. It's been 30 minutes, and now I'm flipping the drumsticks and putting them back in the oven for another 30 minutes. So the chicken is done and they're nice and dark brown, which is how we like it, and I'm going to place them on a cooling rack just so that the chicken isn't sitting in the oil any longer. And here they are, nicely browned and crispy without deep frying. So there you have it, a healthier alternative to fried chicken. Now if you do try this recipe, please let me know in the comments below how it went. Until next time, take care.